Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, which is my online quilt group membership. You are invited to join me anytime during the year for sewing, block of the month, swaps, and community fun. We just have a lot of fun inside the group. Today, I am going to be sharing a little bit about the Missouiri Star Christmas Box. So this is the big box that you order ahead of time. It has 25 little presents for you to open every day throughout the 1st of December and onwards. It's a lot of fun to open a little present that's quilty related, and we are going to take a look at what the box is and kind of a peek inside for now. This is the box, and it's so stinking adorable. So this is the outside of the mailer, which around all four sides you've got the Missouiri Star quilt shops in a little bit of a Christmas setting. It's so cute. So even the box is fabulous. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It is stinking adorable. So now we got to get the box out of the box. All right, with the box out of the box, we are going to open this lid. So 'twas December's beginning in each quilter's house, not a sewing machine stirring, not even a mouse. So many gifts waiting, all packaged up tight. Jenny's morning reveals bring such joy and delight. Fabric and notions wrapped deep in the box, with each gift unwrapped, Quilt Town magic unlocks. Where's Chuck, you may ask, playing hide and go seek, ready to surprise you with something unique? I also have the website link, so you can watch the unboxing videos there as well. These are all so adorable. So here we go. This is Merry Christmas from the Doans. This just kind of keeps all the presents tucked inside. And as you can see, this is what your box is going to look like. So every single day is wrapped, and it has a little seal sticker to tell you what day you need to be opening these presents. This one is day 5, 21. So it kind of takes all of the thinking out, because you simply need to open your box, find the day, and then you are set to go. This is going to be so much fun to unbox every day, and I hope you join me. If you haven't gotten yourself one of these boxes, I will have the link in the description. They might be still ordering them. You can check them out. But it's going to be a lot of fun.